I have found a new favorite go-to style, and it's a drawstring ponytail. If you guys like to see how I got to here, just keep on watching. Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This video will be very quick because this style is very quick. Drawstring ponytail. Real real simple, easy for any occasion, and this hairstyle is definitely very versatile because you can do a top ponytail, you can do a regular ponytail, you can do a low ponytail, you can do a bun, you can do a lot of things. I'm actually going to be styling her in another video, so please stay tuned for that. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because if you like content like this, I'll be posting weekly, and I need for you to come take off with me because we're just gonna be popping. But let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. I am working on old hair, or you can always use your fresh hair. Either one works. Today's video will be about this drawstring ponytail from Hergivenhair. All the information on this ponytail will be down below, so please feel free to check it out. This is the construction of the ponytail. I have co-washed her and let her dry overnight and did a couple of little finger curls at the end, but this is how she's looking, very full, and I'm ready to install her. Here, I'm gathering my hair to put it in a ponytail. I like to kind of maneuver my hair where I want it before I actually use gel or any type of holding spray, so that gives me an idea. I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler gel and some of this Eben Wonder lace on top just to have a secure hold, but you really don't need the Eben or the gel if you're using either or. I don't know if that makes sense, but you don't have to use both of them. I just do that because it makes sure I don't have no flyaways, because the Eco can either lay my hair or make it really curly. Once I have my product smoothed out, I like to go back in and redo my ponytail and get any of those additional flyaway hairs tucked out of the way, because I do not want them to play. At this step, if you want baby hairs, go ahead and pull them out, but I ended up actually just doing them a little later. But this is me just showing you guys how I pull them out, and then I just lay them. Because this is a drawstring ponytail, I'm just going to be braiding my hair down and leaving it just how it is and putting it in a small little bun. It's not going to matter because the drawstring would actually protect it once I put it on, and you guys will see that in the next couple of clips. Here is a look at the construction. You guys are going to take that front comb and you're literally going to put it right at the start of your hair after your elastic band. Try not to put it before your elastic band. It makes it look bumpy and lumpy. You don't want that. To give a more realistic look, you put it right where your elastic band ends, and that's basically combing it into your hair. This is how the ponytail looks. Go ahead and fluff it out to your liking. I just did it a little bit and took a piece of the hair and wrapped it around itself so I can kind of hide that band. And that's it, y'all. Very quick, very simple install. I did it in less than 2 minutes. Like, I don't know how much more convenient this can get. I haven't found the edge control that I like yet, so I just go in with some Eco Styler gel to do my baby hairs, and you're literally swooping it around your pinky. That's what I use to get the baby hairs that I like to do, but take away and add hair as you see fit. This is me just going in and parting it a little better so I can take some of that hair out, and then I'm just going to re-swoop it. Once I'm done with those baby hairs, this is how we're looking. Y'all, I just keep showing this back view because I love how natural this ponytail looks. It is full and it's very versatile because you can wear this up high, you can wear it low, or exactly where I got it at. So at this point in the video, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, all the information on this hair will be down below, and it is from Hergivenhair. So shout out to y'all because this ponytail is fire.